Hey guys, welcome back to John Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Pokemon Legends Arceus for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out this YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're also using 16GB of DDR3 memory RAM because holy crap, this emulator needs a lot of RAM for some of these games, and we're in effect of the game. Let's go into it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. So I just woke up here in this place. Sorry it took me so long to get this game out. It had so many issues running for some reason. It would stop at the menu, stop after I created my name, and then one day today it just worked. I'm like, oh, I guess it's working now. I guess I'm here, and here we are, just like that. So we're running the game. I have no idea what's going on, and look at that RAM usage. You really can't you really can't be running these games without 16 gigs of RAM, bro. You really can't be sleeping out here. You usually be like, no, son, you need 16. Nonetheless, it is running at 30 FPS, and this is the first time I'm playing the game. Like I told you, it didn't work before, and the second it ran, I started recording it. So it is shocking that even in this cutscene area here, I am getting 30 FPS. Can I uncap? I can uncap. Interesting. So we'll uncap for now and let it play out like that. And see what happens from there. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you enjoy the content, man, really hit that subscribe button. It really would help me out. I post a lot of content daily, so it normally helps me keep my ranking up there, you know, until I'm trying to be the highest benchmark channel on YouTube, guys. We'll work for the dream. Oh, they ran. I guess it's time to start moving. I can't tell if the frame rate is tied to the game or what. Okay, so like I said, we just started. It's gonna build in shaders because this is an open world game, right? It's gonna build in some shaders, so we gotta have to be careful of that. One interesting concept for Pokemon, you know, it's like the first time you're going 3D like this, you're gonna need to do some extra crap. I said that it probably would be a bad idea. At least the first game would be probably bad because you can't make that many Pokemon around here. Come on, there's on the Switch, bro. You can't do that. And have them just littered around like, come on. There's no way. That's not possible. You can't have a Pokemon game like that. It's not on the Switch. Hell no. Breath of the Wild ain't the same. It ain't the same thing. People compare. It ain't the same thing, dude. It just ain't. But nonetheless, let's move on with it. So we got it. I must say, I don't know if it's having the extra RAM, but it seems like having the RAM is helping me because this would freeze like crazy. It really feels like the RAM is helping me out with this game. Like this is playable day one, and I don't mean like you have to play it and it'll stutter. Like this is playable day one. You can play this. You're getting over 30 FPS at all times. We can play this. It's crazy. Now, my only gripe really with Pokemon Legend Arceus is it's 2022. Get some voice acting in, guys. Get the voice acting in. Come on. We ain't playing games out here anymore. If you had voice acting, I'm sure people would have been like, oh, damn, voice acting. That's big. That's big still. That's big money moves. I know what the Pokemon are. Also, I don't know what that one is, actually. No, you gave me a Pokeball. Sweet. Oh, 50. Whoa, he just gave me 50 just like that? I do remember see a review of this. So we're like in some region where we're now starting the legend of catching Pokemon and stuff. So I kind of get it. Definitely the smartest choice for making this one. I agree. Instead of making it like normal. Like I said, that probably would have been horrendous if you made it normal. I do have FXA on, I think, which definitely helps as well. Game looks good. Obviously, I could have carried up the res, but game looks good. Alright, so I'm not gonna capture you, so you could look at me and you could be like, oh damn, well you can run away. Can I sprint? Oh crap, I can. Nice. Where did Cyndaquil go? I want a Cyndaquil. Yeah, there we go. The majestic Cyndaquil in its habitat. You mine, boy. Brah. I really thought you mine, bro. Damn, he dead now. You mine now, Sin. Just like that. See? That's how you do it. So basically, just walk around and catch him, huh? That's kind of all you want. Just run around and catch him. I could do that. Oshawott was just here. Oh, there you are. Damn, you see that? He was flying up on me. He was flying up. I was like, damn, back away, bird. Look at him, 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 look at him though. Look at him just in the. Did I just call the wrong one Oshawott? Isn't this the one the Oshawott? What? No, you're just trying to make me feel bad. I would have caught this first try. Also, the Pokeball's in water. How does that work? So it just flows back to me. Is that how that works? I don't think that's how that Pokeballs work. Oh, I thought it would actually let me just walk behind him and try to catch him. That would have been interesting to me. But yeah, Pokemon Legends Arceus, it runs, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next one. A lot of content's coming out today still, so expect a lot more content today, man. I'm posting a lot of stuff. Holy crap, we're in area now. Still seems to be running quite well, to be honest. Huh. Yeah, build those shaders in real quick there for me. Yeah, there you go. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to seize. I'll see you guys next time.